We're here today at the pinnacle of our program by the Council of Young Israel Rabbis here in Israel, celebrating the bar mitzvah and bat mitzvah of around 40 young boys and girls from all over the country who are deaf, from the deaf community and hard of hearing, who have gone through a process of learning about their national backgrounds, their heritage, and their religious identity, and coming all the way from all over the country, from Haifa, from Tveria, from Beersheba, from all the way from here in Yerushalayim itself, to be part of this day and to be inaugurated today with the Bar Mitzvah and Bar Mitzvah program. Soon we're going to have the young boys get a tefillin, pair of tefillin put on and have an aliyah. The girls also going to get pamonim. They're going to get beautiful candlesticks and part of the process. And we're going to continue the process of going to the kotel, some of them for the first time, to enjoy and to really have the anticipation of what a bar mitzvah and bat mitzvah all about. It's something we've been working for many, many months, sending out teams of teachers to all the different schools that they are in, either schools that are completely, in a sense, learning disabled schools, or schools have an integration program in which they're able to have integrated into the regular classes, helping them with their hearing impaired and their deaf difficulties. On the other hand, giving them the special, unique care and interest, and also the love and attention to train them and teach them in all the material they haven't had until now. And therefore, we're very happy. This is already many, many years we're doing this, and every time more and more children participate, and it's something we love to continue from year in, year out.
ברכו את אדוני המבורך אשר קידשנו במצוותיו וציוונו להדליק נר של שבת.
חיי עולם נטע בתוכנו, ברוך אתה נותן